let's understand what is data science. There's so many buzzwords floating around data science right now. Analytics, data mining, data processing, data visualization, machine learning, vision, social networking, statistics, all these are somehow related to data science. So data science is essentially the science of deriving meaning out of data. Let's take a very common example. How does a data science thing work? Now, when you are going to have a simple decision of which institute shall I select for my engineering, you have some data in your hand. And based on that data, you'll see whether this institute offers the course I want to join or not. If no, you'll move out to another college. If yes, another data set will give you the college ranking. Now, you might be someone like me who has to depend on the choices given, or you can be an intelligent person, a really, really intelligent genius person who doesn't have to look at things as they come, but he has the choice. So you'll say, no, I'll go only in the top 5 institutes. You'll decide that based on the data. After that, you can further see how was the placements and package given in that college. And then you can decide which college to finally get in. Yippee, happy, great. So that is how a simple data analysis process works. And in this process, you did not use any computer, you did not use any tools, but only common sense. In our day-to-day life also, we use data science in similar commonsensical way. We only do not notice. I hope you start noticing things now more proactively. So data science is essentially tool or field of study which enables you to ask the right questions. Now, first thing which comes to our mind is who will answer my questions, but more important is what is the right question? If you ask the right questions, it's more and more likely then you'll get the correct answer. You reach the desired answer. There's some examples like when you read books on Kindle or Goodreads, they keep on suggesting you books depending on the kind of books you have read. So how does Kindle, which is a machine, knows what kind of books do you want to read? They do not know the books. They do not know the choices you are going to make in your life, but they know what other people are also reading. And if someone has read a certain book, say for example, someone has read a book on Python, they will go again and read a further advanced book on Python. And hence, Kindle knows that one person who has read this book has read these other books as well. So that, from that pattern, it gives you suggestions. Similarly, YouTube advertisements also work. And business decision, of course. So these things are decision-making processes or giving you choices using data science. So as we saw, data science starts with, or a process in data science starts with asking the right question. And then comes exploratory data analysis. Now, this is a word which is self-explanatory, but I'll still go and explain it. Exploratory data analysis basically explores the data. This is in short also called EDA. We'll come to that later in our course, but this is one of the important concepts of data science and analytics. Finding the pattern in data. Based on the EDA, you'll find what kind of data it is. And then creating or fitting a model using various algorithms. This might sound more technical. It is, but it's not difficult. And this is the most important and at the same time, most ignored step because it's not technical. People who come to data science think that they are going to learn only technical things, but telling the story, communication of your findings, this is the most important aspect because you come to know through your all analysis, what have you derived, what meaning have you derived, but you are working for someone or you are having a client. That client will not understand your technical knowledge. So you have to convert your findings in form of a story. Hence, you have to work on your communication as well.